Hello.
Hello, ma'am and sir. Good morning. By the way, my name is Marifi Olpos Mingito. I am 37 years old. I live from Cordoba, Cebu, Philippines. I am happily married and I have two kids, ages 7 years old and 8 months old. I am the third member of the family and my father's work is construction worker and my mother is a housewife. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education way back 2017-2018. I have 2 years work experience as an all-around housemaid and my household chores are cooking, washing clothes, car washing, gardening, marketing, and send children in school. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save lots of money. Then I want to
Support your family.
support my family
If you come
needs.
to Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
My husband and my mother-in-law is the one who take care of my kids.
How long do you expect to work in Hong Kong?
As long as I am physically fit,
Can you cook Chinese food?
I don't know how to cook Chinese food, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn,
Okay.
such as training and watching YouTube channel.
Okay. Thank you.